Hi everyone, Allison from Social Witco, and today I am reviewing Jon Renau's new California Blonde Human Hair Collection. Last year, they launched their California Blonde Synthetic Collection and it sold out extremely fast. So this February, they launched their Human Hair California Blonde Collection. It is available in 8 wigs, and there are 4 colors.
Last week, I was in San Diego visiting family, and I was able to view the entire Human Hair Blonde collection by Jon Renau at their corporate headquarters. I was able to get 3 out of the 4 colors, so today I will be reviewing Malibu, Venice, and Palm Springs. In this review, I'm going to show you the colors in different lighting, because I think it's important to see what they look like on the beach and in the car.
Alright, so now we're going to go to the beach.
What a gorgeous day on Windansea Beach in San Diego. Malibu is that classic blonde color that you'll find throughout Southern California. I just love how the sun is picking up on the highlights and lowlights, making it the warmest tone blonde in the collection. Venice, isn't she gorgeous? The sun just picks up on those cool beigey tones. It's just such a high-end, sophisticated blonde tone. This color just screams summer to me, and I absolutely love it. Palm Springs, how stunning is this color? I absolutely love the bold, chunky platinum highlights in this color. It's just so stunning how the cool tones of Palm Springs really show in the lighting on the beach.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the colors on the beach, and now we're going to jump to the car. So the first color, the one I'm wearing right now, is the 12 FS12. So FS in Jon Renau just means it's bold fashion highlights. So it's bold highlights. They're thicker than their normal highlights. So 12 means that it is a warmer blonde color. So if you're looking for a more honey warm tone, this is the best color for you, I think. And then the root is a 12 compared to the 12 FS8, which was the most popular synthetic color that Jon Renau released last year with their synthetic collection. So this, they made the root a bit lighter, so it is a more of a light warm brown as opposed to the 8, which was a bit harsher. So they just got feedback from their clients that they wanted the root to not be as dark. And so, yeah, this is the 12 FS12, and it's beautiful. I'm just gonna go turn around so you guys can see it. And this is what it looks like in the car. So I'm gonna put the other color on right now. Okay, so now we're going to review the next wig, which is Venice Blonde. The code for this is 22F16S8. So the 22 and the 16, what that means is that the 22 is actually a warm, more of a honey blonde, and that it is a blend of 16, which is more of a cool blonde. So this wig, Venice, is actually a blend of cool and warm tones. And then we have a shaded root, which is just what the S means, S8. S8 means that it is an 8 shaded root, which is actually the darkest root in the collection. And it's the same color as the shaded praline in the synthetic collection. So you can see that here. Let me just turn around here so you guys can see that. Okay, so now we're going to review the lightest color, which is Palm Springs Blonde. So this is code FS16-101S18. So again, it is a fashion. FS means it's bold highlights, which means it's chunky highlights throughout the entire wig. And we have a blend of 17 and 101. So 17 is a very cool blonde. So this is a very cool toned. And then you have 101, which is actually platinum blonde. So we have a really cool blonde color, as you can see here. And then you have the S18. So what that means is that it's a shaded root. So we have a rooted wig here. And 18 is actually one of the lightest colors in the collection. So you can see it's one of the lighter roots. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review on Jon Renau's California Blonde Human Hair Collection. If you like this video, please like the button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If there's any wigs or colors that you would like me to review, please feel free to reach out to me. And all of these wigs are available on my website, and the link is down below. Talk to you guys later. Bye.